I'm gonna start um, with trying to repair my old laptop. It was a Z2, it was an HP ZD 7260 US laptop, 17-inch monitor. This is my old motherboard. This is the problem. If you can see here, there is a problem with the jack. It was burned right here. It's kind of hard to see probably with the glare from the light, but basically it fried, it overheated and it fried the the jack. So um, basically there was no power going in and it was smoking and sparks were coming out. So that just wasn't working and the laptop basically stopped working. And so the first thing I'm gonna do here, um, I'm basically gonna just take out the cards and put the old things and the new thing. Here we are. Here's the new motherboard with all the pieces where they belong. There's this, and this, and stuck them in these places. So basically, here's the bottom cover. And I'm just gonna take and shove the motherboard in here. Now everything is plugged in. It's plugged in here. Um, this under here. I put in this cartridge. These screws are here. This is for the monitor and other screws. This is plugged in, and that's about all of it that I plugged up. Just screw these in. And in addition, we're gonna have the CD-ROM drive. It's gonna go in here, and it's going to screw into place right here. Um, this area here. So here we have the handrest. Um, basically these two wires here, they plug into the motherboard here. The monitor is gonna plug in also to the motherboard. Um, there's a part here. It's gonna plug in also to the motherboard here. Um, and the keyboard is then gonna plug in on top of this into the motherboard. The keyboard plugs in right here. So this strip here is attached to the motherboard, and I'm gonna plug these two in also to the motherboard up here at the top. Then the monitor is gonna go into the. So now everything is snugly plugged in here and underneath here, and you can see it. And this actually just drops down into this hole here, all the way through, all the way to the back. Make sure it's coming out the back. Um, the monitor is going to plug in under here. And we have our keyboard, which is going to plug into this area here on the motherboard. And after the keyboard's plugged in, it should just snap into place. So then we're gonna put in the screws up top here to hold the monitor on, and they go into the top and through the back part. these switches are going to be on top. Um, and then there's going to be actually more the screws that go in the back. They go through this piece here. So put these in first, and then the back one's going afterwards. And now that the plate on the inside is snapped on, you can screw that in through the back here. So this here is actually going to slip in right here. That part is going to slip in here. Slides right in underneath. Then you have to screw these on the outside. Then I need to attach these wires. I have a gray and a black. The black is going to be attached closer to the outside, and the gray is going to be attached closer to the inside. Sometimes it's easy to actually just attach the wires first to the card, and then you can just kind of slide it in. It might look a bit easier that way. Next we have these cooling fans, and there are going to be two attachments. I'm going to plug in this top one, then plug in this part here towards the battery. For this laptop, there's a metal plate that goes over the fans before you put on the bottom cover part. So the fan's in, all the pieces are screwed on here. Then we have these screws at the back, the bottom of the back. There are also some bolts that go along the back here. You can use like pliers or something to put them back into place. And lastly, we just put on these back panels. Is where they go, and just put in the battery, plug it in, turn it on. Still trying to boot up.